Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. And in today's video, I'm so excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys some super bomb H&M finds. You guys, I've been so lucky when I've been shopping at H&M. I've been finding so many cute pieces on sale, and it's helped me like create a fall winter wardrobe that is super sleek, looks super expensive, but in all actuality is like dumb affordable. So I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys these pieces. It is going to be a try on haul. So yeah, definitely keep on watching if you want to look super bougie on a budget. Let's get into the video. So the first piece I picked up was this really gorgeous maroon sweater. I was just absolutely obsessed with the color of this. Like, tell me that's not stunning. I love any sort of sweater with like a knit detailing on it or rib detailing. Like I don't know, I love textures. It's a really pretty mock neckline, and then like the way that the texture pattern goes is like super flattering, how it like comes down on each side. The sleeves are super big and oversized, just how I like them. All right, so this is the sweater paired with these super cute pair of like oversized asymmetrical jeans from Princess Polly. But like, tell me this isn't such like a cute, comfy winter outfit where it looks like you're trying, but really you're just so comfy. I'm definitely obsessed with the detailing on this sweater. Super warm, and the color of it is just so pretty. As soon as I saw this, I couldn't stop thinking about it, and then like the next day I had to get it. Then I've been on the hunt for some like either houndstooth or plaid print pants, and I found these plaid or houndstooth detailing on it is so tiny, so you can't even see it. Like, you just look at them, they look like gray pants, but there is detailing on them. It's like a brown and a tan and a cream color. All right, so this is how the trousers look on. The plaid detailing on it is super fine and small that honestly they just look gray, but it's really pretty because it's like a tan, black, and white all mixed together, and I just think it looks so cute paired with that same burgundy sweater. They're very comfortable. I don't know why I like to tuck the bottom of them into my like combat boots. These are from Nordstrom. But yeah, it's just like a great way to like be comfy but look like you're actually trying, but really you're not trying at all, which is my motto of life. Very flattering. I got the most gorgeous color, like taupey leather pants. Do you guys see this? Are you guys witnessing this right now? First, I'll show you how they look on. I love that little detailing right there on the knees. These look just like those super popular Zara pants, and I actually own a pair of them, and I love them, don't get me wrong, but like these look almost identical to them. I got these for $15. They were on sale. I think they're originally like 27 or 29 bucks, and the Zara ones are like 39. And like, just look at that color. Like, tell me that's not stunning. There's so many ways that you can style this. You can wear this with like a black turtleneck and boots. You can dress it up, dress it down, kind of do like an all beigey kind of monochromatic look, which is what I'm going to show you guys in a second. Lately, I've been loving H&M for just like super basic like layering pieces, whether it's like a turtleneck or just like a basic long sleeve to wear underneath of shirts. So I saw this one and it was in like a really pretty, and it's just like a basic, really creamy, kind of like roll neck top. I love the coloring of it. It is a little bit sheer and see-through, but I'm okay with that because most of the time when I wear this, I'm wearing like a coat or a scarf over top just because it's been pretty cold here. And I just think it's so cute. And like this with those leather pants is definitely a vibe. I'm going to show you guys how they look together in a second. And then after I show you that outfit, I'm going to show you like the other pieces that I would layer over top of this super simple, sleek, basic outfit. And this top was only $4.99, so I'm telling you, if you need some good basics, go to H&M. So this is how the pants look on. Zara ones are a little bit more flattering, but honestly, like, I'm not mad at these, especially for the price. They're like half the cost. And I love that they have pockets. I love that they have belt loops. The color of them is so stunning. It's like a taupey gray green, and I just can see myself pairing this with so many different outfits and just like, ugh. I feel like I need a pair of shoes this color. All right, now I have them paired with just these black booties, but I'm not a huge fan. I feel like if I had boots this color, it'd be perfect. And then I have it paired with that like white mock neck top. Even this outfit alone is just like a super simple outfit, and then I'll show you like accessories and things that you could add to it to take it to the next level. So I'll be back with the same outfit after I talk about a couple more pieces that I picked up. That way you guys can show them in action. So I got this really pretty cream super long coat. Oh, it's so pretty and it's so thick and it's so warm and it's so cozy. It actually has like a little bit of chiffon detailing. You probably won't be able to see it as much on camera. It's just so beautiful. This coat is everything. I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed with the color of it. All right, so this is how the coat looks on. And again, I'm wearing that same simple outfit from earlier, but just adding this really pretty structured coat just kind of like takes it to the next level. It's such a beautiful coat. You can belt it. I left my belt upstairs, but just imagine that. You can like cinch everything in or just kind of have your outfit peeking through. It's super warm. It comes down super long too, which also keeps you warm, and I'm just so obsessed with the color of it. It is just absolutely stunning. Then I also had been wanting like just like really oversized like warm scarves. I had a bunch from when I lived in Florida. I don't know why, but none of them are really thick. They're all like very lightweight, and I just wanted like a thick cozy scarf to layer. So I picked up this really beautiful beige one. You guys, I officially think that beige is my favorite color. It is just so pretty. It's like a really nice, just like oatmeal-y beige tone. It looks so expensive, but it was only like $12.99, I believe. And it's so oversized and big, and it will like literally just keep you so warm. So again, this over top of that basic leather pant and white turtleneck outfit. How the scarf looks on, you could also add it to that same outfit to take it to the next level. I just love how like oversized it is, and the color is just so pretty. So you guys, I was not lying when I said beige was my favorite color. So I got this really pretty creamy shacket. I've been so obsessed with shackets lately. I don't know what it is. And like also, if you don't really like your outfit that much, you don't want to think about it, you can literally put on the dumbest outfit ever, throw a shacket over top, and it like covers your whole outfit but also makes your whole outfit, if that makes sense. I really want to get like boots this color. I need them. And this was originally $49.99 and I got it for $27. So this one definitely needs a good steam, but tell me this isn't so cute on. So it's like a cute, casual, fun outfit. Again, I have it paired with that same basic white top with the leather pant. And you just add this on and it gives a whole different vibe from like the last things I paired it with. You could also add the same beige scarf and just be like warm, but like super cute. Next we have this really gorgeous, creamy, kind of like oatmeal oversized cardigan. You guys, the color and the fit of this is just out of this world. This cardigan I think was like originally maybe like $40 and I got it for $13.99. When I saw the price tag, I had to have it. And I actually got this in a size medium. That way it could be like a little bit more slouchy and oversized, but not too oversized on me, because by no means is medium oversized. But it just made the blazer come down to like a better length on me. So that I could wear it with leggings, or I could also wear this with jeans. Like there's so many ways to style and layer blazers. I actually have a video on how to style blazers that I made over the summer, but I think I want to do like a winter edition. Let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. But this, again, with that same basic outfit, it's beautiful. All right, you guys, and then this is how the blazer looks on. So cute. I'm just obsessed. I love the length that it comes down to. This would also look super cute just paired with like black leather leggings or black leggings and like a simple top underneath. You throw this blazer over top, and again, it's gonna look like you're tried when you're not trying. I got this blazer oversized, and I just love the length that it comes to too. Again, that same simple outfit that I was showing you earlier, just super basic, and then you just throw on like something cute over top and it takes it to another level. You could also throw on that same scarf from earlier. It'll warm it up a little bit and you're good to go. And I cannot believe that this blazer was only $13 and it's just so stunning. Moving on, we have yet again another shacket. This one is in this really pretty taupey, like pinky color. When I saw this color, I had to have it. I mentioned this in a previous video, but like these type of like mauve pinky tones I've just been so into, especially like during the fall time. It was just like so pretty. So I actually got this one in a size extra small, and it's still pretty oversized on me. So that's something to keep in mind. Like you don't need a size up necessarily with these, because they will still be like super long. I love like that kind of like marl detailing on it too. The buttons are really cute. They're like a really pretty tortoise shell. So H&M, I noticed, carries like two types of shackets. They have like the thicker ones that are $49 or $50, and then the lighter weight ones that are still thick, but they're not like as thick as a coat. and these are $29. They have some in gray. They have like a really pretty creamy white that I almost got, but then I saw the leather one and just got that one instead. So yeah, definitely check out their shackets. They have a lot of good options. You can offer the thicker one if you want something warmer, or you can do something like this if you just want to use it to layer, or you just want to save a couple. This is how the shacket looks on. Please don't mind the mess here. That's all the stuff I've been trying on. It definitely keeps you warm, but it's not as thick as like my misguided shacket. So I definitely recommend layering this in the winter, whether you're wearing like 2 shirts underneath of it or a thick sweater, or maybe just putting a coat and having this on underneath. But it's just so cute. Ideally, I would be wearing a white top with the white boots, but you guys can get the idea. It's just so cute. I love shackets so much. Alright, and then this is also how I'd wear the shacket, just like with an all black outfit, just like this with the leather leggings, some cute boots. Put on a shacket and boom, you're elevated. You're cute. You're ready to party. Love H&M for basics, and in a second I'm going to show you like one of my favorite black layering pieces. So I'm just going to jump to that clip because I don't know where the black shirt is now. Story of my life. All right, and then this is just like the basic white kind of like mock neck top. I'm obsessed with the fit of it. I love how soft it is. Like, these are literally the softest tops ever. I have another one in a really pretty taupe color, but every time I go to film these videos, I can never find it. But that one is so flattering too. I'll leave that link down below. They're just so comfy. They're so nice to layer underneath of thicker sweaters to keep you warm. They're so pretty with just like the shackets as well. Any sort of jean jacket, any coat. Like, the quality of them are so nice as well. Like, and then one of my favorite pieces from this haul, it's like the most simple piece, but I just love it. And it's just this really basic sand sweater. I'm like just absolutely obsessed with the color of this. It is so stunning. It's like a cool tone brown, which for some reason I've been so into lately. I feel like last fall and winter, I love the warm camel tones. But this year, for some reason, I'm all about like cool tones. I got this one in a size medium, and I got this on sale for only $7. $7, and I feel like it looks super expensive. Like, even the detail on the sleeve, I love that. The sleeves are also super oversized, and you get this really pretty rib detailing on the bottom. I'm obsessed with the rib detailing up here. Like, there's just so many ways too that you can style this sweater. You can wear it with those leather pants, you can wear them with black leggings, you can wear it with jeans. One of the final outfits, this sweater is everything to me. Literally like one of the simplest pieces, but it's just like one of my favorite finds with how like simple it is, but the color is perfect, the cut of it is perfect, the length, the coziness of it is perfect. I'm obsessed with like the little detailing here. And again, I have it paired with the same leather leggings, these like croc boots that I got from Forever 21. Look how sleek and cute this outfit is, but literally I am so comfortable right now. I feel like I'm wearing pajamas. And what does it look like? It looks like I'm trying, but I'm not trying at all. Literally, you cannot go wrong with an outfit like this. The last piece in this haul that I got was this really gorgeous oversized gray scarf. It's actually two-tone. This one's a lot thicker than the first scarf that I showed. Like, it's like a super, it's like a sweater. Like, you're literally just wearing like a thick knit sweater. All right, you guys, and then this is how the oversized scarf looks on. I love it. It looks so expensive, so luxurious. I also, at first I wasn't a fan of the two-tone. Like, I honestly thought the whole scarf was this color, but now I actually really appreciate it. It gives it like kind of like a different vibe to it. And yeah, I just think it looks so cute, and it's super warm. I definitely want to get like a coat this color to wear with it, and then I feel like it'll really just complete the look. But yeah. Alright, you guys, so that wraps it up for my fall winter H&M finds. You guys, I've just been so obsessed. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it inspired you to check out your local H&M, go to the sale section, see what cute pieces you can find for an affordable price. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday and Friday when I upload. I love you all so much. I pray that you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!